Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2017 to 2022 Honda CR-V Turbo 1.5 liter. The hood release is in the driver's footwell. Then the secondary latch release is right above the Honda logo. Push it to the right and open the hood. And then the hood prop goes in the hole. The filter is under this cover. There are 4 bolts. They are 8mm, or they have a Phillips head in them. But I recommend just using an 8mm socket because these can be pretty tight, and if they're rusty, you can just easily strip out that Phillips. The bolts don't come all the way out, they just stay in the cover. So loosen all 4 of those, then pull the whole cover up, move it out of the way, and pull the filter out. Now get your new filter. When you're putting it in, make sure you put the tab on the front side. It matches a spot on the cover as well. Once you have the filter in place, put the cover down. When you're tightening the bolts, if they don't want to start, push down on the cover some more because sometimes it doesn't fully seat on the first try. These are pretty small bolts, so don't tighten them too tightly, or they might easily break. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.